Before moving ahead, I want to tell you guys that this sound comes from my Afterlife-style melodic techno sound bank for Diva. Check the description box to know more.
To begin with, select dual VCO. Next, turn VCO2 an octave down and VCO1 2 octaves down. Also take out the pulse width. Next, under Shape, select Analog 2 and turn the mix towards VCO2, as VCO1 will be used for FM modulation. Next, select High Pass Pre-filter and increase the frequency. Next, select Multi-mode filter and copy these settings. Next, select Digital for both the envelopes and copy these settings. Next, under Tuning, copy these settings.